The old postman passes me by every day. Not a postcard telling me why you're away. There'll be one for number one, maybe two for number two. But when he comes round to me, there's never a line from you. The old postman passes me by, not a word. Though he smiles, he doesn't know why I haven't heard. From the bag full of dreams on his shoulder, I'd be grateful for just a white line. Say you'll care again, then I won't care when the old postman passes me by. Passes me by, not a word. Though he smiles, he doesn't know why I haven't heard. From the bag full of dreams on his shoulder, I'd be grateful for just a white lie. Say you'll care again, then I won't care when the old postman passes me by. I could cry, just watching couples passing by. It's no fun being all alone at night. It wasn't meant to be that way. It really isn't right. So I tell my heart, don't sigh. There must be someone as blue as I just want someone to walk with, someone to talk with, just to help the time pass by. I'm so lonesome I could cry. be someone as blue as I just want someone to walk with, someone to talk with, just to help the time pass by. I'm so lonesome I could by myself to places we knew, talking to myself about you. What a lonesome conversation. I keep asking things and get no answer, sitting by myself with nothing to do, talking to myself about you, while I'm listening for your knock on the door and dreaming that you'll soon walk through. I'll keep talking to myself about you. By myself to places we knew, talking to myself about you. What a lonesome conversation. I keep asking things and I get no answer, sitting by myself with nothing to do, talking to myself about you, while I'm listening for your knock on the door, then dreaming that you'll soon walk through. I'll keep talking to myself about you. The phone doesn't ring, who cares? If the birds never sing, who cares what my friends might say? Or if the postman tells me there's no word today, who cares? If I'm left alone, if my mail comes back marked address unknown, and if you treat me as mean as can be, who cares? No one but me.
left alone if my mail comes back. Mark that address unknown, and if you treat me as mean as can be, who cares? No one but me. Who cares if there's no one for me?
Past my bedtime, but what do I care? I've got all my dreams right in my arms tonight. It's way past my bedtime, but love's in the air. For here in the dark I see the light. From now on, every time when I do fall asleep, I'll fall asleep by counting kisses instead of sheep. With you here beside me, I'm dreaming anyhow, though it's way past my bedtime now. Past my bedtime. You getting kind of sleepy, baby? Well, I know the dawn's about to break, but hon, just another couple of kisses to keep me dreaming while I'm wide awake. Though it's way past my bedtime many tears must fall, and how many heartaches must there be? How many nights must be blue before I can forget about you? How long can this go on? How many more dreams can turn out wrong? The poet who said, out of sight, out of mind, I know that he must be deaf, dumb, and blind. How many tears must fall before I'm through, and I can't forget about you? heartaches must there be? How many nights must be blue before I can forget about you? How long can this go on? How many more dreams can turn out wrong? The poet who said, out of sight, out of mind, I know that he must be deaf, dumb, and blind. How many tears must fall before I'm through, and I can't forget about you?
There's a man in my life, responsible for the kind of a life I lead. He's the touch of my heart when thoughts of him start. I find myself a tremble like a wind-blown reed. The one who never met him, this might seem extreme, yet his charm still makes me lay me down and dream. Every song in my soul, each plan in my life has one unobtainable goal, that man in my I find myself a tremble like a wind-blown reed. The one who never met him, this might seem extreme, yet his charm still makes me lay me down and dream. Every song in my soul, each plan in my life has one unobtainable goal, that man in my
Welcome to my heart, so glad to have you here. Welcome to my arms, so nice to hold you near. I've kept the doorway always open wide, and I've been hoping you to my lips. So glad you've come my way. Now that you've arrived, I hope you've come to stay. No more must you roam, for you have found a home. You're always so welcome to my heart. For you have found a home. You're always so welcome to my heart. You're always so welcome to my heart. Dressed up with a broken heart, pretending I'm with you. Someone else in my arms only brings back your charms. It's a game I just can't carry through. When I'm alone, then the teardrops start. I realize it's true. I'm all dressed up with a broken heart and still in love with you.
you're not within my arms tonight, and I can't hide the tears. Oh, the birds have stopped singing, can't see the sun in the sky, and the memories start such an ache in my heart since you said goodbye.
I still can feel your gentle touch, the thrill is with the air.
Your smile, your voice, your tender kiss are so hard to forget. Oh, the birds have stopped singing, can't see the sun in the sky, and the memories start such an ache in my heart since you said goodbye. I need you more than ever now, much more than I can say. You must come back into my arms. I can't go on this way. All the birds have stopped singing, can't see the sun in the sky, and the memories start such an ache in my heart since you said goodbye. Since you said goodbye.
More than ever before, you're the one wonderful one that I adore. More than ever before, you're the one wonderful dream I've waited for. And through laughter and tears, love will stay deep in my heart, and through the years I will love you this way, only more than ever before. Wonderful one that I adore. More than ever before, you're the one wonderful dream I waited for. And through laughter and tears, love will stay deep in my heart, and through the years I've been waiting for. I will love you this way, only more than ever before, only more than ever before. Here's a tune for humming. Or maybe for whistling. But never for talking. If you're weary of the words, the foolish little words you find in every song, look what I brought along. Simply a tune for humming. Or maybe for whistling. If you're weary of the words, the foolish little words you find in every song, look what I brought along. Simply a tune for humming. La-di-di-do, la-da-di-la-di-di. La-di-di-do, la-da-di-la-di-do. Or maybe for whistling. It only takes a moment to fall in love, but oh, it takes a lifetime to forget. It only takes a heartbeat to lose your heart, but oh, the nights of heartache and regret. I fell in love, but I lost my heart in vain. Now that you've gone, only memories remain. It only takes a moment to fall in love. The garden that we started still blooms, though we're apart. When red grow the roses, then blue grows my heart. Alone and broken-hearted, why did we have to part? I told you that I loved you, I tried to make you stay. I still don't know why you went away. All I can say is when red grow the roses, that old feeling starts. When red grow the roses, then blue grows my heart. When red grow the roses, then blue grows my heart. Remembering all your kisses, my tears begin to start. The days pass so slowly, each night seems a year. And walking through roses, it seems that you are near. Oh, it's true, I can't forget you, no matter what I do. My love, like the rose, blooms just for you. Until you return, dear, and say we'll never part. When red grow the roses, then blue grows my heart. nightingale lifts up its voice and trills to the moon above. Look on the thrills of love here in the night. Hold me, dear, closer, dear. This is a night, one night to live a year. The wind in the tree heaves a sigh and whispers no more goodbye, making me vow that I will not let our love die. Oh, my sweet one, oh, come, sweet one, take my love. This is the night. Oh, my sweet one, oh, discreet one, take my love. This is the night. The wind in the tree heaves a sigh and whispers no more goodbye, making me vow that I will not let our love die. Oh, my sweet one, oh, discreet one, take my love. This is the night.